Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I decided to show you one of my favorite dippings, baba ganoush. Baba ganoush is a delicious Middle Eastern appetizer that's made with simple and healthy ingredients. There are plenty of variations how to make it, but let me show you my way. To get started, you will need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will need one large eggplant or two small ones. Cut it in half so you will have two pieces. Then we're gonna sprinkle on a bit of salt to remove the bitter liquid and let it sit for about 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna rinse the liquid that appeared on the top and then dry them up with a paper towel. Using a fork, we're gonna make holes all around eggplant. Then we're gonna need a whole head of garlic and cut off the tip so all the cloves inside are exposed. Place the garlic down on the foil, drizzle with an olive oil and wrap it tightly. On the baking pan covered with a parchment paper, we're gonna place eggplant flesh side down. And beside the plant, we're gonna place the garlic. Drizzle eggplant with an olive oil as well. Then we're gonna roast this in the oven for about 35–40 minutes. After roasting, eggplant and garlic should be nice and soft. Let them cool for about 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna flip eggplant over and scoop out the flesh using a spoon. Then we're gonna transfer it to a food processor, unwrap garlic and give it a squeeze so all the cloves pop out. After that, we're gonna add a juice of one small lemon, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and a few twists of black pepper. Then we're gonna cover with a lid and puree until it's smooth. And that's it, baba ganoush is ready. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish with some olive oil and freshly chopped parsley. Serve it as a dip with your favorite veggies, pita bread or crackers. Thank you for stopping by. The full recipe you can find in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and check my other healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!